going on, everybody? So I'm here at Baird machine shop in Johnson City, Tennessee. I'm getting some brackets made for my generator, and if you guys are in this area and need some work, they do amazing work. So I'm going to document the process of them putting all this on here. These are the brackets he's going to put on the frame here, so I'll be able to mount the generator right down there. Getting that bracket and everything welded together there. Alright, so we got everything welded to the frame. There's I got mixed emotions about welding it to the frame, but whatever. Also welded it to the brackets. And yeah, I know everybody's gonna have their own opinion on welding it to the frame, but bite me, I don't care. So yeah, so far so good. I went ahead and primed that because we're gonna lay this here. And that's where my fuel tank is going to sit on top of. And then he's also going to make another one that's going to be a little wider from the bottom, so it'll extend out past this, so my generator will sit on that. And yeah, shouldn't be too bad. So with the generator sitting up down here, the exhaust is going to blow about right here. So he's actually going to, he found some pipe that he has, and he's going to cut a piece that comes out and goes down and maybe out again, kind of blow it out of the way so it's not blowing right on the fender. But should be good. And he's also talking about putting a support bracket from here to up there or something to, but it's pretty sturdy. The paint's not quite dry, but he's gonna weld on it some more. We'll have to paint it again anyways, right? So this is kind of what it's gonna look like. I think I'm just going to run my strap around there, and that'll hold it down. One of those ratchet straps. So I can do the same thing with that bicycle chain, or even chain it around the handle to the strap back there, the bracket, whatever. But right here is where my fuel tank will sit, so should be pretty golden. So I got back from the machine shop where they put the brackets and everything on for the generator, and I'm hooking up to my trailer. I noticed the right or the left rear drive. Apparently somebody's calling. The left rear drive was really low on air. Luckily next door was a mechanic shop, a little auto shop, so they let me use the air hose. I filled it back up, found the nail, and then called the free service tire, the truck repair center here in Kingsport, Tennessee, and they were nice enough to get me right in. So they're gonna see if they can't patch it or plug it, whatever needs to be done, and yeah, get me back on the road. But the tire, they took the lug nuts off. The tire would not, the rim and everything was seized to the hub, so I had to drive up on, get me back up on this curb right here, trying to get the rim to break loose off the hub. They use the hydraulic separator, wedge, whatever you want to call it, and that took, it's taken about 35 minutes or so for them to finally got the wheel off. But geez, it doesn't want to move.
We try to put some air in it and let it drive it in the parking lot. I think that's what we're going to have to do.
Just preparing the surface, I guess.
Yep. Well, that and the whole, it's a two-way patch.
Okay. That fixes it right up, huh? That's what came out of it. Lucky me, right? What is that exactly?
It's just a cover coating. It helps seal it.
Oh, okay. So that's it for the inside?
That's it.
Nice.
All I gotta do is mount it, air it up, put it back on.
Like it never even happened.
Yep.
The rim, he actually cleaned up the rim because it was seized onto the hub here. Several, like all the way around it on the hub. Let's see, it's kind of right there. So I'm getting loaded finally here. Been here about 40 minutes or so. Not supposed to load till tomorrow, so that worked out great, right? I wanted to show you guys the new setup for the generator. The fuel tank on top is definitely going to change, but I don't think it's too bad. The stainless steel exhaust pipe there that the shop made. And yeah, I mean, this is all, everything's really sturdy. Not worried about anything. I'm thinking about getting one of those fuel cans for like an onboard, or an onboard motor, or a John boat or something, like a 3-gallon fuel can. I can sit right here and strap it down. And yeah, I have the fuel lines running back there. And it's raining some more because it hasn't rained enough, right? But yeah, got a bit of an oil leak too. Time to get the old truck in the shop. But homeward bound, so that's good, right? Finally. So yeah, let me know what you guys think as far as the generator setup. I know it's a little different. I just put one out that was a different setup, so let me know what you think of the new one. And yeah, if you got any other questions, feel free to hit me up. You guys stay safe out there, and thank you for all the love, the support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You guys stay safe. Thanks.